Have you ever wanted to buy Bitcoin? If so, you may be wondering how to receive BTC on Kraken. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In this video, I will show you how to receive BTC on Kraken. What is Kraken? Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Kraken is a secure and regulated exchange that is committed to protecting your assets. How to create a Kraken account. Before you can receive BTC on Kraken, you will need to create a Kraken account. To create a Kraken account, go to the Kraken website and click on the Create an Account button. You will be asked to provide your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a copy of your government-issued ID. 1. Deleting zolutins.com. Deleting zolutins.com. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to create a Kraken account. How to deposit BTC to Kraken. Once you have created a Kraken account, you can deposit BTC to it. To deposit BTC to Kraken, go to the funding page and click on the deposit button. You will be given a Bitcoin address. You can then send BTC to this address from another wallet. Once your BTC has been deposited to Kraken, you will be able to see it in your Kraken wallet. How to withdraw BTC from Kraken. You can withdraw BTC from Kraken at any time. To withdraw BTC from Kraken, go to the funding page and click on the Withdraw button. You will be asked to provide your Bitcoin address. You can then withdraw your BTC to this address. Kraken fees. Kraken charges fees for buying and selling Bitcoin. The fees vary depending on the trading volume. You can find a list of Kraken's fees on their website. Kraken security. Kraken is a secure exchange that is committed to protecting your assets. Kraken uses a number of security measures to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Kraken is a great choice for buying and selling Bitcoin. It is a secure and regulated exchange that offers a variety of features. If you are looking for a way to receive BTC, Kraken is a good option. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn how to receive BTC on Kraken. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you are interested in learning more about Kraken, please visit their website. You can also sign up for a Kraken account today. Thank you for watching this video about how to receive BTC on Kraken. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I will see you next time.